So, garden update. It's been a pretty productive 2 weeks. All the rows are done, and things were planted. It was great. Here it is. I hope you enjoy. Alrighty. I've got all my soil placed in there, ready to till in. All the snow fence is curled in. I'm going to till in this direction, as you can see, and then I'll till it again another way so I can plant these. Okay, so garden is all tilled up nicely and drying up. Now, time to make the rows. Okay, number 1 is built. I forgot to adding a walkway right in the middle. So this section here is 13 feet down to here. This is a 2-foot walkway. You don't see it well, but once it dries, you'll be able to see it. And that's another 13 feet. Now on to the next. Another straight row. Well, technically 4 rows done so far. This much more to go. Four rows. Technically 8, if you want to get real technical so far. Almost there. Hubby made a gate for me. It looks perfect. Another thing I forgot to add. He also put strapping on each fence post to keep the snow fence in. And now I planted some peppers. There's my peppers there. And some tomatoes because they were outgrowing their pots. I've got 7.5 rows completed. 1.5 left. 8.5 rows completed. 1.5 left. My bad. My math is pretty wrong today. It's been a long day. Here we have it. Pretty much complete. Everything is planted. Get in here. Alrighty. A lot of progress. I still have to staple those down. So, we have spinach, green beans, cucumbers, Roma tomatoes, and 1 slicer tomato. This is zucchini. I can't find my label for it. I'll have to make one again. Peas, green peas, radish. I've got corn. These are my strawberries. Corn again. This little mesh thing is to keep the squirrels and chipmunks away because they really like to try to eat my roots on me. Potatoes. Another row of potatoes. Carrots. Same thing. They don't like a lot of water, so this mesh will keep the water out. Green onions. Yellow onions. Great for cooking, especially spaghetti sauce. Swiss chard. Green and yellow peppers. I put both because I can't remember which ones are which. That'll be a surprise when they come up. Yellow beans. And lettuce. So there you have it, guys. The garden is now all planted. Let's see what grows. I'm excited. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe. Next episode, I will be installing the irrigation system for water. And hopefully it works. Stay tuned. Have a nice day, guys.